Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 40, and today I will show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to power off the device. So swipe down for your notifications and then select this power button right here and choose power off. Once the device turns off, you want to then hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And this will boot us into bootloader first. So in here, using volume buttons, I'm gonna look if we have Fastboot mode in here. Okay, we don't, so we're gonna select recovery mode, and then you wanna confirm it with the power button. Now next thing you will see is Android with no command, so hold your power button once you do. There we go, and press volume up once. And this will then take us to the recovery mode, and in here, just as before, using volume buttons, you want to now select enter Fastboot, confirm it with the power button, and there we go. That's how you enter Fastboot mode. And just as before, you will navigate in here using your volume buttons, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And in here we also have a couple options. So we have a reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, just a way of leaving this mode. We have enter recovery mode, which will take us back to the previous page. Bootloader will take us back 2 pages back, so the first that we've seen after turning off the device. And power off obviously turns off the device. So anyway, first option, confirm it. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.